Hello and welcome back to the Inspire Academy Elementary English. We are now on Unit 8. Unit 8 is about families. What are you going to learn in Unit 8? The vocabulary of families, what is a family, people in families, and family as an adjective. This is a typical family. This is Jesse's family. Jesse is in the middle. Right above Jesse is his grandmother Lisa and grandfather George. To the left of Jesse is Jesse's mother Gwen and father Tom, his sister Joanna and his little brother Jack. On the right of Jesse is Uncle Bob, Jesse's uncle, and Aunt Eva, Jesse's aunt. And Uncle Bob and Aunt Eva's children, his cousin Linda and cousin Billy. So we have grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, uncle, aunt, cousins, sister, and brother, and Jesse is in the middle. Here is some more vocabulary around families. In the first picture, you see mother, son, and daughter. In the second picture, you see father, son, and daughter. In the third picture, you see grandmother and grandfather. And in the fourth picture, you see wife and husband. Each of those groups can be a family. In the second group, on the bottom of the page, we have Sam and Mary's family. Mary is Sam's wife. Mary is Sam's wife, and Mary is also Celine's mother. Mary is Anna's aunt. Joe and Sue are Mary's parents. Alex and Lena are Sam's parents. Anna is Joe and Sue's granddaughter, Sam and Mary's niece, Celine and Celine's cousin. She is not related to Alex and Lena. This is considered an extended family. Types of families. Nuclear families are the mother, the father, and the children, or they just could be mother and children, or a nuclear family could be a father and his children, and they are any combination living together. An extended family are grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. They may live in the same house, or they may live close to each other, or they may live thousands of miles away from each other. They may see each other every day, or they may not see each other for years, even lifetimes. The meaning of family. People who are related and live together are family, but people who are not related and who live together can also be considered family. There are many, many definitions of family. Family can be a noun, but it can also be an adjective to describe a person, a place, or a thing. For example, in the first picture, we have a family man, a man who's responsible for his family. They call that person a family man. Family is an adjective describing the man. In the second picture, a family restaurant, a restaurant that is suitable for families. You also have family movies, movies that families go together to watch. Movies that are good for kids or suitable for kids. Putting the adjective family in front of a noun means that something is suitable or good for families. Animals and fish and insects also have families. Elephant families are called herds. Lion families are called prides. A family of ducks is a flock. Wolf families are packs. Families of fish are often called schools of fish. Animal families have a lot of different names. Almost every type of animal has a different name for their family. Let's do a knowledge check. Sarah and Sam are married. Alex is Sam's father. What is Sarah's relation to Sam's father? Father, uncle, no relation, father-in-law. Celine's mother's sister is Celine's blank. Celine's mother's sister's children are Celine's aunt and cousins, uncle or in-laws, aunt and nuclear family, all of the above. When you put a family in front of a person, place, or thing in a sentence, it means it is a kind of family, it describes something good for families, it is not good for families, or none of the above. Let's look at the answers. Sarah and Sam are married. Alex is Sam's father. What is Sarah's relation to Sam's father? Sam's father is Sarah's father-in-law. Celine's mother's sister is Celine's aunt. Celine's mother's sister's children are Celine's cousins. When you put family in front of a person, place, or thing in a sentence, it means it describes something that is good for families. Review. We looked at families, types of families, what are families, and family as an adjective. That's all for today. Have a great day and see you soon.